Staying ahead in today's competitive retail world necessitates a thorough grasp of business performance and customer behavior. Integrated analytics within a point-of-sale system have emerged as a game-changer in providing retailers with the necessary insights. Retailers receive significant insights into their business's success by providing full sales and performance information in real time, allowing them to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and maximize profitability. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of integrating analytics into a POS system, demonstrating how it enables retailers to harness the power of data and propel their business to new heights. Real-time performance monitoring. A POS system with integrated analytics provides retailers with real-time performance tracking, allowing them to analyze sales, revenue, and other vital indicators as transactions occur. This real-time visibility allows retailers to keep informed about the health of their business, analyzing trends and identifying possible difficulties as they develop. Retailers may immediately assess the impact of marketing initiatives, promotions, or changes in product range by having access to up-to-date data on sales performance. This knowledge enables them to immediately adapt their tactics, capitalize on emerging possibilities, and solve any prospective obstacles. Complete sales analysis. A POS system with integrated analytics provides retailers with a full picture of their sales data, allowing them to acquire insights into customer behavior, product performance, and revenue trends. Retailers can examine sales data based on a variety of parameters, including product categories, individual items, customer segments, and time periods. This granularity enables detailed research and identification of top-selling products, high-value client groupings, and peak sales periods. Optimization of inventory management. Integrated analytics are critical for optimizing inventory management procedures, lowering costs, and increasing overall efficiency. Retailers can use the POS system to get real-time inventory data, allowing them to monitor stock levels, manage inventory turnover, and identify potential stockouts or overstock issues. With this data, merchants may modify inventory levels proactively, optimize procurement, and cut holding costs. Retailers can accurately estimate demand and coordinate inventory levels by integrating inventory data with sales analytics. This allows them to keep ideal stock levels, reduce stock disparities, and lower the risk of missed sales due to stockouts or surplus inventory. Decision-making based on data. Retailers may use integrated analytics to make informed, data-driven choices across all facets of their organization. Retailers can find chances for product expansion, optimize pricing strategies, and alter marketing efforts by combining sales data, consumer insights, and inventory information. Retailers can use real-time performance analytics to analyze the success of marketing initiatives, measure the efficacy of promotions, and make data-driven budget and resource allocation decisions. Reporting and visualization that is actionable. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a variety of reporting and visualization capabilities for converting raw data into actionable insights. Retailers can create reports and dashboards that provide critical performance indicators, sales trends, and customer information in a straightforward, visual format. These visualizations assist merchants in comprehending complex data and efficiently communicating insights inside their organizations. Retailers can also set up automated reports and alerts to identify noteworthy changes or abnormalities in their sales or inventory data. This proactive approach allows merchants to react swiftly to new trends or challenges, assuring effective decision-making and mitigating potential risks.